Hi guys, kind of a mess today, but I wanted to do a video because I just went to my mailbox and I got the Once Upon a Book Club box. I am very, very excited to open this. I'm also very nervous because this is my first unboxing ever. So I have got a little setup up here with my phone. You guys probably haven't seen that, but that's my phone case, the Stolen Kingdom. And yeah, I seriously had to figure out how do you get the upper view. So I don't know if this is going to work out. This might all get deleted, but what I'm going to try to do is talk to you, but also let this record what's actually happening. I don't know. We're going to find out if this works. I'm so excited to look how pretty this is. I shouldn't shake it. Seriously, this is probably going up on top of my bookshelf because oh my gosh. And it has a spine and everything. How cool is this? This is the coolest thing ever. Okay, let's get to the actual unboxing. This is the box. I'm scared to wreck it because like I said, I kind of want to put that pretty thing on my wall. So maybe I can come at it from the bottom side. Hold on. Should have thought this through. Okay, we're good. It's fine. We're all good. Freaking out. Let me just pause here and say I'm scared of how I'm going to react because when I really like something, I tend to not say anything because I'm too busy imagining how I'll use it or wear it or whatever. So I'm scared that I'm going to react weird. I've never done this before. Oh, crap. Okay, first of all, check out the inside of this. I will hold it up for the camera, hopefully. This is so pretty. Holy crap. Okay, mine. You got a good look, right? I don't know if you're going to be able to see me very well, but anyway, to fully experience this box, remember to only open your gifts once you reach the attached page numbers. And then on the back, it has this adorable, so cute. Okay, I know you're not supposed to spend a lot of time on these, but I'll edit it out later. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, so it says there's read along dates. So it says turn it in, blah, blah. I can't speak, I'm too excited. Tune in as we open the gifts. There's 4 gifts it looks like. And then we're gonna do a chat both on Instagram and on Facebook, the 2 different days, and hang out and whatnot. So I feel like we might have changed those dates though, but oh my gosh, that's my picture. Okay, that's cool. Sorry, that was, again, I was nervous I would do stupid things like that. I got really excited. Okay, here we go. So there are discussion dates on their Facebook chat, it looks like, and it's an exclusive chat. So I'm assuming that you have to be part of their group or signed up or whatever. I don't know. If you want more info, there they are, Once Upon a Book Club box. You can use a hashtag or you can contact them. There you go. Okay, that was just a pamphlet, guys. I gotta move on. Okay. I feel like I want to put these somewhere pretty, but I'm out of room. Okay, how cool is this? Oh my gosh. So I'm not allowed to open it though, but I want to. Okay, hold on. We're just gonna keep going. And then I will decide what to do with my life later. This is so cool. There's page 2737. I can read 37. So this one, it looks like, comes first. Oh, that kind of looked like a 2 for a second. That's why I read that. But I think it's 37. Oh my gosh, there's another one. Okay. I do not know what this feels like. I should remember what it is, but I don't. The bags are too cute, you guys. This is so cute. Probably all you're hearing right now is crinkles. What is this? I don't remember. It's so tiny. I don't have a memory of a tiny thing. I tried to forget after she told me what they were. I didn't want to remember them, but now I'm what is? Oh. Okay, that's exciting. There's more. Oh my gosh. Well, I kind of knew this would be in there. But look at that! Oh, I'm keeping this one forever. Okay, you guys, the exclusive cover, Once Upon a Book Club box, put their stamp or sticker or whatever on the cover so that it's clearly from the book box. That's so cool. Oh, and there's one of the stickers inside. I already feel cool. There's another one. Okay, moving on. Keep going, Bethany. Keep going. So you guys might know this already from my pictures on Instagram, but I signed book plates because I wasn't able to sign the books themselves. So these will go inside every copy as such, I guess. I don't know. I think that's how book plates work. Holy crap. That is so cool. It's the, okay. Oh my gosh, this is too cool. I'm kind of freaking out right now. This is the, what do you call it? The Ginny rules. I think I called it like 3 different things during drafting. So it's not that I have forgotten, it's that I don't remember which one I went with. I think I called it the rules of Gin. The 3, hold on, I'll just look because it's actually, in case you guys are curious, in the back of the book, I put a glossary. So in the back of that glossary, here we go. The 3 unbreakable laws of Gin. And she put that on a card. How cool is that? Thank you guys. This is the coolest thing ever. I'm putting this up on my bulletin board right now. That's really cool. Okay, I've been staring at this for too long. I need to keep going. By the way, I just want to show you guys the bottom of the box, which is also really cute. How cool is that? Okay, all right. So now, let's see if I can make a fancy little picture quick. You guys are going to have to hold on because I do want a picture of this for Instagram. Hold the phone, hold the phone. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back, and it is at this point in the video that you are going to want to tune out if you did get a Once Upon a Book Club box, because spoilers, obviously, and then I don't know, I'm going to read the pages that these gifts come from, so I'm actually going to use the book and the pages to show you what each gift goes with. So maybe if you're wanting to read The Stolen Kingdom, wait to watch this next part until you've read the book. I don't know. Unless you're feeling risky, then just go for it. I have to get going. I need to know what they are. So the first one it looks like is the one that makes this sound, 23. Okay, so 23. I let the dozens of silver bracelets clink together noisily to catch, I think it's his attention if I remember right. Yep. Oh my gosh. I'm going to leave this in here though because it's making me happy. Okay, so 23 silver bracelets, guys. How do you open this? Okay, I need my scissors again. It's cool. I got this. That looks dangerous. I'm so bad at this. Okay. These boxes are adorable. I kind of want to keep them forever. Oh my gosh, cool. Silver bracelets. Oh, I like that they're like the open kind. You are kidding me right now. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. They have the code of Gin on them, the unbreakable laws of Gin. I seriously need to remember what that's called. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, I'm going to hold these up to the camera because this is way too cool. Oh my gosh, I'm putting this on right now. I look so tacky, and then I'm putting on these gorgeous bracelets. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Oh, I like how they're open. I like that. I almost feel like I could wear them. No, they're supposed to be down here. I know things. I know what to do with life. Okay, I'm gonna hold this up for the camera. How cool is that? So that is these unbreakable laws of Gin. Is that what it's called? I have to look at the back of the book again. Yeah, the 3 unbreakable laws of Gin. Okay, I called them many things, like I said. Okay, so the next gift, this is so fun. Let's see. So it's 159, 37. Oh, did I skip? No, that's cool. Okay, 37. There it is. Here we go. I'm nervous. Really crazy hair right now. I went to bed that night, wide awake, ignoring the teardrops trailing down my cheeks and hitting my pillow as I racked my mind for a solution, a way out. I'd do absolutely anything besides marry the king of lies. Hope that didn't give away too much. I think I know what this one is. I'm very excited to see it because, like, even though I know what it is, I cannot picture it for anything. Oh, so excited. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Okay, is it what I think it is? It is. Okay, how do I... Oh, bug. There's a bug. It's okay. It was just a fuzzy. I thought it was a bug. Okay, here we go. I cannot picture this. It kind of reminds me of... it's got a very Persian feel, but kind of like also a ladybug. I don't know where I'm getting that. Oh, I get it. Oh, that's pretty. I actually have a pillow this size that I wanted to cover. That's perfect. This is really cool. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think? Check that out. I love it. Thank you. This is the coolest thing ever. I don't know, I'm still freaking out. Okay, there's a star in the middle. It's got a very henna vibe, I think is what I want to say. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, where should I put this? I'm going to drape it over the top. Okay. And even the wrapping is cool, you guys. I don't even know what to do because it's like so pretty. Oops, I'm dropping the bracelets. There we go. Okay. So the next one is $159. Okay, this one. All right, this is the one that I was super curious about when I first opened it, and I have no idea. And again, I should remember, but I've forgotten, so. Okay, this is cool because this one is like a smaller, and I don't know if I forgot to show you guys, but the last one was like a big tag, and this one's smaller, I think just because it's at the bottom of the page. Oh my gosh, I know what this is too. How much should I read to you guys? I won't read too much because now that we're towards the end, I don't want to spoil anything. So he dug into his pack and pulled out a smaller one. My heart skipped a beat. It was my stolen bag. Oh my gosh. I'm going to the state fair tomorrow and I need a cute bag. Please tell me this is a cute bag. It is. It's a cute. Wait, is it? It is. Oh my gosh. It's literally perfect for the state fair. And look at that design, you guys. That is cool. I guess it's the same on both sides. I don't know why I turned it around. And it's got the cool ties, which I love. Actually, this is super random that I'm talking about the state fair, but I love to wear it like a backpack, but it's not as heavy as a backpack. And I love these. This is so cool. Oops, now I gotta loosen it again. Hold on. I wrecked it. There we go. Okay. This video is going to be so long, but I'm super excited. Last but not least is page 226. Right here. Okay. This is the one I was most excited about. Okay. It's cool. I'm fine. Swallowing hard, I set my bag on the table and loosened the drawstrings. I pulled out my crown. I could read more, but I think you guys know what it is. Pulled out my crown. All right, let's pull out my crown. I want to wreck the box. Scissors. Here we go. Okay, and now I'm going to do both sides this time. Oops, that was dangerous. Okay. And look at, by the way, the cool designs on everything. Like, I can do this. I can do life. Here we go. All right, I'm so excited right now. Gosh, Ari's crown, it literally says it. Okay, this is gorgeous. How do I get it out? Because I want to wear it. This is so cool. I love that it says Ari's crown. Okay. I have to try this on. I'm trying to keep myself from just throwing it on my head because I really want to wear it. Holy crap, that's actually super classy. I would wear this all the time. I might wear this today. Okay, my hair is so crazy for this right now. Ignore the crazy hair. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? I'm getting a phone call. Hold that thought. Where was I? I am just so in love with all these things. I feel like I came out of this video way more fancy than I was going into it. And I think this one's my favorite by far because I could see myself wearing this all the time. But at the same time, this might be my favorite because I've never had something personalized to my books before like this. This is incredibly cool. And I think I said this already, but in case I didn't and I completely forgot to read them out loud, it's never use a gift to steal. That's this one. Oh, there. I put them out of order on my arm. Never use a gift to harm another and never use a gift to deceive. And I guess there doesn't really need to be an order, but that's this right here. So cool. And I think I'm actually going to save this too, just because it's so pretty. I think I'm going to put these on my bulletin board. Kind of fangirl over the book box because they are so cool. Seriously, you guys, working with Once Upon a Book Club box, let me hold that closer. It was just the coolest experience ever. I wouldn't change a thing. It was so amazing, except maybe that one part where I almost screwed it up by like editing something. And then I was panicking, but it all got fixed, obviously, and everything is wonderful. I highly recommend Once Upon a Book Club box, and I think that they're amazing people to work with, and yeah, it was just so much fun. So that's what I will leave you guys with. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This is my first unboxing ever, but I'm going to put a little tag at the end because I actually was sent another package from, I believe it's from Brie and Mandy, and it says Corgi & Co. Anyway, so we're going to tag on a last-minute surprise unboxing, just for fun. I'm scared right now. Oh my gosh. This is like really cute wrapping. I'm so scared. I'm always scared when I open things from people because I'm like, I don't know what to expect. Hold on. Is this a shirt? What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. Reach for the stars. This is precious. Oh my gosh. You guys don't even know how perfect this is considering I'm wearing my other Corgi shirt right now. Hold on. Incognito has a spill on the front. Ignore that. This is literally, obviously I love Corgi shirts. So thank you. This is from Brie and Mandy. Brie LeClaire and Mandy Lynn. And I got super excited about this shirt, which I'm so into. But I forgot to look at the card. That's like the worst impolite etiquette ever. Is it a card or is it a sticker? Okay. Aww. Okay, I should show you the front first. Here's like the card, Sweet Dreams. And then Happy Book Release, Love, Mandy and Brie. This is also going up on my bulletin board. Thank you guys, you're amazing. I am loving that these both came in the same day. So I'm gonna go put this on. That is too perfect. He's wearing a little spacesuit or she. All right, I don't know how to sign off, but basically I want to go try this on now, so I will see you guys later. Bye. I missed it because I was too excited about the bracelets, but they had a little cute thing inside. It said Ari silver bracelets inside the little box that I totally wrecked. Okay. I put on all my presents now. Hold on. So excited. Okay. I wanted to show you the Corgi shirt, Reach for the Stars. I love this so much. It fits perfectly. Thank you guys. You're all amazing. Okay, for real. This is truly the last vlog, probably. Okay, bye.